Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This is K510 Automotive Group, and today we got another video, man. So if you guys haven't seen my last video, go check it out. I just bought me a BMW X5, one of my dream SUVs, like since I was a kid. I always loved the X5, the E53. I love every generation, first, second, third, you know, and I'm in love with that X7, but that's kind of out my price range, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'll definitely get an X7 though, for real. But yeah, man, on this video, man, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your air filters, your cabin and engine air filters. If you get a used car, that should be like probably #1 on your list, you know, things to do when you get a used car, because you know, whoever had it before you, whatever germs they had or dog hair or anything, you're breathing it in through your cabin filter. So yeah, it's probably a good idea to change that, you know. So that's what I'm about to do. I already got the parts. So this is my engine air filter. So, and then for some reason this car comes with 3 different cabins. I guess this is one for the glove box, and then these 2 I think is for underneath the hood. It's like a little filter like underneath the hood. But yeah, man, let's check it out one more time, man, on the camera, man. This is my new baby. Always wanted this truck, man. You know, it's a Batman thing. So you gotta keep the, you know, the rasta colors in there. This is my favorite part of this whole car. This rear section right here, so sporty. How the bumper is made, like I love the rear body lines. See, you got like that spoiler type tailgate. Then I got a spoiler up here too, but I don't know, it just look beefy to me, man. It just look aggressive. You know, with the right wheels, you know, put some wide wheels on here, like the M wheels. I think I'm gonna get those too. I love the wide look, like that stancy look on these big body cars, man. But yeah, man, let me pop the hood, man, and show y'all what we got, man. Ooh, twin turbo. And this is another good addition to the turbo. This is my first turbo car, so I'm definitely gonna have to do my research on how to handle these turbo cars. I know people say with turbo cars, the oil level is very important. So I'm always checking the oil. And yeah, you gotta definitely watch out for coolant leaks too. So see, on these BMWs, they put like these plastic charge pipes on there. So I definitely gotta replace mine. You can tell the heat got to it. Jeez. So that's what we're gonna be doing on this video, man. We're gonna be doing the filters, the engine filter and the cabin filter, which is in this box right here. I gotta move this cover out the way. We'll get better access to it. So yeah, let me set up. Actually, I'm gonna turn the camera back on in a little bit. So alright guys, we're gonna get started and start replacing the engine filter first. So I think these are all Torx bolts. It's about 6 of them. I think it might be a T20, but let me look at it. Let me find a socket and I'll show y'all what socket I use. Alright guys, so the filter, the engine filter uses a T25 socket, one of the Torx bolts. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, T25 right here. Yep, there you go. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to take off these 6 T25 bolts. So it's not gonna come all the way out, just gonna unloose itself. It's gonna stay attached to the cover. I think you guys get the point. It's like 6 of them all the way around. So I'm gonna show you guys the filter when I pull it out. Oh damn. I think this filter was already clean. It looks pretty new. Let's see if I can get it with one hand. Yeah, actually this one was clean. This one's pretty clean. So I guess I didn't have to change this one. So I'll just put it up. Put it up for next service. I had the same exact one right here. That's a good thing I checked. So let me I'm gonna put this one back in, and then we're gonna check one of the cabin filters and make sure it's see if they replaced it or not. Alright, so next we're gonna take out the cabin filter. So we gotta take this cover out. It's about 4 13s, like little plastic clips. They're not really tight or anything. I think they're already open. You just lock them and unlock them. This one's pretty loose. Alright, so after you take that cover off, there's a few more little 13s all around. It's about 3 more. One right here, one underneath here. There's another one over here. Oh, it's a harness right here too. So, connector on there. Alright, so we got the filters out. I mean, from outside, it don't really look like they're too dirty either. But let me flip it around and see. I mean, they're dirty, but it's not too bad. I guess I can replace these. They're not filthy, but you can still see like a little bit of dirt in them. And this one isn't too dirty either. But it's just best when you get like when you get a used car, it's best to change out the air filters. So you have to breathe in all that dirt or whatever from the previous owner. So we got some new filters right here. So I'm just gonna install them into this holder. And this is like an HVAC box right here. You can see like the little flaps and stuff. So those all goes directly to the air box. Alright guys, so we got everything back on. Now we have to move two in the cabin. Replace this. It's another filter that goes at the bottom. This microfilter, which is inside of the passenger side, like underneath the kick panel. So yeah, I rarely see people do videos on those, so I'm gonna show you guys where it's at and how to get it out and replace it. I figured I'd show the comparison of like an old one and a new one. So this one is clear. This one's kind of dark and dirty. Alright, so we're in the passenger side underneath the seat. So we got like a few, I think about 3 of those. 3 bolts. They're T25. We're gonna take down this panel so we can gain access to where the filters are. Alright guys, so it's a T20, not a T25. So I got it dropped down. So we just gotta unplug the little light switch there. And I think I can just unhook this connector right here. But I think I'm gonna push the whole clip up. Just pull it down. With it down. Got one more connector. Just fold it down like that. So next we need to remove the rest of the venting. So all the vents right there. A few more T20s that I gotta remove to gain access to the panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. There's a few of them up here. This one up here. So we're gonna take down this whole piece right here. The whole thing. So we got the bolts out. Just gotta pull this thing out. Just pull straight down and it comes out. It's like locked in up there by this little tab right here. Filter. So this is the filter right here. So I'm just gonna pull this down. I don't know if this side has a clip on the back. Okay, it just locks into place. Just pull it down. So this one was dirty. So we're definitely gonna be replacing this one too. You kind of put it in like a tight spot. You can see how dirty this filter was. This is the new one. Alright guys, so this last one was a pain in the butt. I showed you a little bit of what I had to do to get to them, but this one was definitely dirty. And then these two were dirty. These are also cabin filters to filter the HVAC system. But the engine filter was clean, so I just kept that. So I still got this one in the box. I'll just save it for next time. So if you guys have an E70, want to get some filters, here's the part numbers. And here's a part number for this one. Oh, here it is. Cabin filter and engine filter. Also have to flush my coolant because whoever serviced the vehicle after I purchased it, they didn't put the right coolant back in. So it's kind of like all mixed up with this green color fluid. So I'm gonna lift it up and do a coolant flush, drain it out, and then put the blue color fluid in. So alright, about to jack this car up now so I can drain the radiator, and then I'll turn back on the camera in a little bit. Alright guys, I just got the car jacked up off the ground. And now we gotta remove this undercover right here so we can get to the radiator hoses. So that's what I'm about to be doing. I'm gonna turn this back on once I get the cover off. Holes to tap into. It doesn't have a drain for the radiator. I gotta get something right there. The whole down pipe is leaking. Oh, this is oily. I don't know where it's coming from. I think I'm gonna tap into this one coming off the thermostat. Alright, so I got it draining. You see it's green fluid in there, so it definitely had the wrong coolant in there. So that's why I'm draining it out, and I'm gonna bleed the system. Alright guys, we drained out all the coolant. So now I'm about to just take it off the jack stands, put it back on the ground, and then we're gonna bleed it. Alright guys, now we're gonna fill up the radiator. Alright guys, so we got the reservoir topped off. Now we're gonna go inside. I think my key is over there. Let me grab my key. Alright. First thing first, gonna put your foot on the gas pedal. And then, hold on. First thing first, you're gonna turn the switch on. Put the temperature all the way to the highest. You're gonna put on the highest temperature. Turn off all the switches, power as possible. It's like it's already bleeding. That's how this electric water pump that bleeds out. So after probably like I think 10 minutes of this, the cooling system should be bled out. Guys, as this thing bleeds out, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna tie you guys up. Thanks for checking out this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm an automotive YouTuber, a technician, and a BMW collector. I officially say it now, because all my cars are BMW, except for my Pilot, my Honda Pilot. So yeah, man, just remember, man, because it's K510, you can make 5, you can make 10, keep going up. You know what I mean? As much as I would like to say, it's easier to give up, it's best to keep pushing. Peace. Alright guys, let's go take this thing for a ride. Make sure it's heating up like it's supposed to. Block one time. I can feel the heat already. I got it on the highest temperature. I wish they had like a temperature gauge where you can read the engine temperature. But on these newer cars, they don't really have that. They don't really have that temperature gauge. Yeah, but this thing is blasting. This thing is hot. You can actually wind on this window. Turbo noises that come out when you step on it. Yeah. Yeah, but I think it's straight, man.